Hello everyone, a very fantastic morning to all. Students, this is our IT class and today we are going to start second chapter storage devices, printers, scanner. Okay. Students, you know what is storage devices? Storage, what do you mean by storage means जमा करना, स्टोर करके रखना किसी भी चीज़ को, ठीक है। स्टोरेज डिवाइस मतलब कंप्यूटर में स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस कौन कौन से होते हैं जिनमें हम अपने डेटा फीड करके रखते हैं, स्टोर करके रखते हैं, जैसे CDs, DVDs, पेन ड्राइव, ऑल दीज आर स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस। सो नाउ फर्स्ट वी विल रीड CD. Okay, you can see this picture. This is a CD. The picture you have seen, this is CD. CD is the short form of compact disc. Full form of CD is compact disc. What is the spelling of compact disc? COMPACT, compact, disc, DISC. Again we will repeat, COMPACT, compact, DISC, disc, compact disc. Short form of compact disc is CD. Okay. It is a storage device. This is a storage device. Okay. It is a storage device. It can contain games, programs, music. In CD, we can store games, programs and musics. Next, a CD is placed in a CD drive. A CD is placed in a CD drive. A CD is placed in a CD drive. Next, DVD. This is a DVD. You can see this picture. This is a DVD. DVD is the short form for digital versatile disc. DIGITAL, digital. Versatile, VERSATILE, versatile. Disc, DISC, disc. It is a larger storage device than CD. It can contain games, programs, music. A DVD is placed in a DVD drive. A CD can also be placed in a DVD drive. Students, you can see this is a CD and this is a DVD. These are almost same in looking, but there is a difference. It is a compact disc and it is a digital versatile disc. It is also a storage device and it is also a storage device, but DVD is larger storage device than CD. Okay, DVD is larger storage device than CD. Means DVD में ज़्यादा डेटा स्टोर होता है CD के कंपैरिजन में। ओके, इट कैन कंटेन गेम्स, programs, music. CD also can contain games, programs, music, and DVD also can contain games, programs and music, but it can contain more data. Suppose you can store a film in a CD, you can store 2, 3, 4 films in a DVD. Next, a DVD is placed in a DVD drive. आपने देखा होगा CPU बॉक्स में एक CD DVD ड्राइव होता है। ओके, अगर उसमें सिर्फ CD ड्राइव है, एट दैट टाइम ओनली यू कैन प्लेस CD ड्राइव। अगर उसमें DVD ड्राइव है तो आप उसमें CD भी लगा सकते हो और DVD भी लगा सकते हो। ओके, अ DVD इज प्लेस्ड इन अ DVD ड्राइव। जो DVD है वो DVD ड्राइव में लगाया जाता है, बट अ CD कैन ऑल्सो बी प्लेस्ड इन अ DVD ड्राइव। लेकिन अगर उसमें DVD ड्राइव है तो आप उसमें CD भी लगा सकते हो। लेकिन अगर उसमें सिर्फ CD ड्राइव है तो आप DVD नहीं लगा सकते हो। ओके, यू कांट प्ले DVD इन अ CD ड्राइव, बट इन अ DVD ड्राइव you can play both CD as well as DVD. Okay, now we are on the next page. BD. This is a BD. You can see this picture. This is the picture of BD. BD is the short form for Blu-ray disc. Full form of BD is Blu-ray disc. Spelling of Blu-ray disc is BLURAY. Blu-ray disc, DISC. Okay, this is a Blu-ray disc. BD is short form for Blu-ray disc. It is a much larger storage device than CD and DVD. A Blu-ray disc is placed in a Blu-ray drive. CD and DVD can also be placed in a BD drive. Now, students, you have seen here CD, DVD. It is a storage device. It is also a storage device. Like that, BD is also a storage device. Okay. First CD, then DVD, then BD. All are looking almost in same size. Okay. But all three are different. Why these are different? This is Blu-ray disc. You can see. It can storage much larger storage than CD and DVD. Means इसमें CD और DVD दोनों से ज़्यादा डेटा स्टोर हो सकता है। ओके, अगर आप DVD में 4 पिक्चर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्टोर कर सकते हैं तो इसमें आप 6, 8, 10 पिक्चर्स भी स्टोर कर सकते हैं। ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव सेड okay, it is a larger storage device than CD and DVD. Okay, a Blu-ray disc is placed in a Blu-ray drive. You can place a BD in only Blu-ray drive. जिसमें Blu-ray drive होगा सिर्फ उसी में आप BD को प्ले कर पाओगे। ओके, you can place a BD only in Blu-ray drive. बट हाँ, जिसमें BD ड्राइव होगा उसमें आप CD और DVD दोनों लगा सकते हो। ओके, यू कैन प्ले CD and DVD in a BD drive. Okay students, it is clear. Now next topic I will start in next video.